In this exercise, you'll apply your learned knowledge to configure an environment for a custom pipeline host. You're going to need to be a Power Platform administrator to create an environment that will act as the pipeline host. In the Power Platform Admin Center, I'm going to select Environment in the left-hand navigation. I'm going to create a new environment. I'm going to call mine Host Environment. You can name it how you like. Make sure the host environment is in the same region as the other environments that will be involved in the pipeline. I'm going to make sure it's a production type environment, and I'm going to make sure the environment has Dataverse, and I'm going to add the environment to a security group. The deploying the environment will take a few minutes. Once the environment is ready, I will then go on and install the Power Platform Pipelines app. Now that the environment has successfully been created, let's go into the environment and install the Power Pipelines app. I'm going to select Resources and then Dynamics 365 Apps. I'm then going to install a new app, and in the right-hand panel, scroll down until I find Power Platform Pipelines. It's quite a long way down. Select the app, and then all you need to do is agree to the terms of service, and that will install the Pipelines app in the background. This will take a little while to deploy. You need to wait and check when it has finished installing. Once the app has been installed, you can now go and check on security. I'm going into the environment and see that the security roles that have been deployed. I can see that new roles have been added: Deployment Administrator, Deployment Pipeline User, and Deployment Pipeline Default. I now need to make sure my user has the Deployment Pipeline Administrator role assigned. Role's not assigned, so I need to add it to my user. The pipeline host is now configured. I will now go on and check that the app has been deployed correctly by switching to the Power Apps Maker portal, switching to the host environment I created, and from Apps, I'm going to play the Deployment Pipeline Configuration app. I can now go and assign users to the different security teams and roles.